All right. Happy Friday, everybody. Today, as you know, you will be writing in social studies. And so I want to make sure that you all watch this entire video so that you know what is expected of you today, because this assignment, as I've explained, is in fact graded. So again, please watch this entire thing. Make sure you're paying attention right now. You're not on your iPad. You're not working on other stuff. You are just listening. Okay, so today, as you know from yesterday when Mrs. Lebowski came and gave us instruction on the RACER method, you will be writing. And what you're going to be doing is something called an on-demand prompt, which means that you are giving yourself an allotted amount of time, which is 20 to 25 minutes today, to respond to this prompt. Now, just to review, the prompt itself is, you've learned about the Declaration of Independence by reading the Road to Revolution timeline. So that's the activity we did a while back. I'll talk about it in a minute. Looking at the John Trumbull painting, reading the preamble, and reading the various grievances of the colonists. Now, in a well-developed response, I want you to answer the following question. Which of these resources, really these four things, make the strongest argument for war against Britain? Use specific evidence from that specific source to support your argument. So, let's break it all down. Your four options include this Road to Revolution timeline, which there's more pages to it, but this is just the first one. This painting, the actual preamble, which this was the thing that a few days ago we actually annotated, and then the list of grievances. You're going to pick one of these four things that you think makes the strongest argument for war against Britain. Once you pick it, that's when you'll start organizing your ideas. This RACER writing strategy template, it could be in a few places. Number one, if you're in my first period, it could be posted on Schoology and it could be in your Notability, or I have extra paper copies that are posted on the whiteboard in the front of the room. Any other class, you should have it attached to your packet that we annotated yesterday with the presentation Mrs. Lebowski gave us. So some classes got to starting this, some maybe not so much, but your job is to outline your ideas. So step one for this task is to spend about 5 minutes jotting down your thoughts and organizing your argument, writing your recipe, if you will, okay? And if you get stuck about how to sort of frame your thinking, not only are there directions in the left column, there are also sentence starters. So pro tip, use the sentence starters if you get stuck. Okay, after you spend 5 minutes filling in the RACER graphic organizer, you're then going to go back to Schoology, find today's folder down here, and click on where it says On Demand Prompt DOI. Once you open that, you'll see the same directions I just went over here, as well as a rubric posted below that. You're going to click where it says My Document, and then that's going to open up the Google Drive assignment for you. You're going to have the next 20 to 25 minutes to write your extended response. You can use any resources from class to support your thought process. Just a reminder that your response should primarily focus on just one of those four. The Road to Revolution timeline, the John Trumbull painting, the preamble, and the various grievances, right? You're picking one. Which piece of evidence of these four makes the strongest case? Again, you're going to write. We're talking about more than like 5 sentences, less than a page, right? So you're going to use that entire window to write. Okay. Before you submit, you can and you should use the rubric, which is attached to the document, to assess your work, okay? Then when you're finally done, you're going to click on this Submit Assignment button. If you don't click on it, I can't grade you. So please make sure that you click the Submit Assignment button. Cool? Now, once you're done with the writing prompt today, and this is all independent really today, you may work on the study guide. Remember, the quiz is on Monday. We will do a Kahoot when you come into class on Monday, and then you will take the quiz. This is the study guide. I will post the key to the study guide later today, Friday. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. However, just keep in mind that I am at a wedding all weekend, so I'm pretty busy. I'll do my best to respond to you when I can, but this video should explain any and all questions that you may have. All right, get to working and writing, and I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. As one last check-in, these are the 2 things that you are accomplishing today.